Hey. Okay, pals, we're back. Teardown Part 3. Uh, we did 2 missions yesterday, so I think this is gonna be our 6th one. Okay. Lawrence Lee Jr. I've been up all night digging the login devices, so we have 2 missions here. Let's just start with, Lawrence Lee Jr. You don't know me. The break-ins caused me a lot of property damage. Let Gordon. Okay, so this is the guy we did the missions for. So now we have to do this guy. Do a mission for him. Oh, we're going to Gordon's own home. I don't. This is extra illegal. Love that. Taking a while. Okay, the car wash. Let's commit some crimes. Okay, let's first off check out what we have to do. So escape vehicle. So I just get as many things as possible. So do I destroy these? Dump at least 3 of Gordon's expensive cars in the water. Okay. Let's just check out the first car here. Check out this guy. So this car, we need to dump all of these into the water. I don't know if I'm gonna get all of them. It's gonna be pretty hard, because I'm pretty sure I'm only gonna get a minute. Where's the... This is a car. Oh. The hard part of this is that it doesn't have fucking wheels. Can I just destroy it? Wait a second. We're gonna restart this because I wonder if I can put the wheels onto the car. I don't know why this takes so long though. Alright, so that one is over. Passenger, this one has an alarm. Do I need to like put it on? Never mind. I already figured out it. Easy puzzle. So I can't go through there, it's gonna damage it too much. So we're gonna go just right through the main gate. I'm so good at driving. Okay, kinda a little close there. Okay, well, that's the best we're gonna get it. Raise car lift. Okay. That worked really really well. Oh my god. That worked really well. I guess we just drive this into the water. Okay, we're gonna back up because I want to keep this in case there's another easy one. I'm gonna actually quick save here just because I don't want it to fall down. Okay. Oh shit. Ah, it's fine. It's fine. Next car. We just have to get 3 of them. I think I'm just gonna do 3 of them because this is gonna get really, really hard. So there's 6 cars in total. I'm retarded, so I can't get up there. Can I like move this at all? Okay. Just break all this. Can I? No, I can't. So I can get this car. I don't want to be inside of it. I can get that car really, really easily. So I think I'm actually going to use this, and I could just drive it straight down here and have it go straight into the water. And I could run over here, and there's there's another car in there. Uh-oh. Oh man, look at my drifting abilities. Actually pretty nice if I could just destroy everything in here. Make a way. Never mind. Okay. Oh no, I was looking at this one. Okay. So, what is... I'd prefer to get the best... the best... What's the word? The easiest ones, you know? Like... Okay, I looked at this one. Why am I so stupid? I went through that door, like, the first time. So there's a car in here. Who, like, puts wired alarm boxes on their cars? Like, just let me drive them into the water. Yeah, I'm just gonna... I think I know the plan. So here's the plan. We're gonna drive this one. We're gonna drive it down here, and we're gonna put this one right into the water. Easy. We're gonna hop in this car, drive it straight off here, and then we're hopping in here and just leaving because getting 6 cars that quickly is way, way too hard. And, yeah. Let's do this. This car drifts way too easily. Easy. Oh shit. This isn't good. Come on, go, 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 go. I could definitely... Oh, I could get another car. I might come back to this mission once I'm done the game. Do a little run through of just getting better things on all of the, Yeah, we don't even need to see this. Whoa, 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 what the hell's happening? We don't even need to see my path. It was all right. I think we're only gonna get two missions done today as well. But you know what? Two is better than none. So we'll just oh trespasser. I consider myself a connoisseur. Why do I have such a nice bathroom? But new tool. Let's see. Oh, I remember the plank. The plank is like all right. Okay, so I have two new missions. I'm gonna just do this one. I've been up all night digging through the login devices and I managed to find a connection to West Point, Mariana. About GPS. Okay, so I gotta get GPS devices. Easy. I can easily get GPS devices. Okay, love this place. We're back. Okay, so I need to get this one, this one, this one. I know I can drive this boat, so we're immediately going for that one. It's all systematic. It's all systematic. Okay. It's my shotgun. Love my shotgun. Okay, so there's one in here. Is there one? No. I don't know when I stopped playing this game. Ooh. Okay, I'm quick saving right now. I don't know how I'm... Whoa. Someone's calling me on Discord. I just... Get denied. I'm recording a video, idiot. Okay. Move this boat. Okay, I thought I was strong. I don't think I'm strong. Okay, this is easy. I'm just carrying a whole ass boat. So we're just gonna straight up. Whoa! What the? What? Okay. Quick save. Easy. Easy target. So this looks like, yeah, this is a boat. Okay, who? I'm recording a video. These guys keep calling me. It's 'cause I keep evading taxes. right here. I can easily get that one. If I could, I'd edit this out of the video where I'm getting called by my friends, but I'm not an editor, so cry about it. We're quick saving. And we're blind. What the hell? Okay. Sorry, people. Okay. Crisis averted. I don't know how I'm supposed to get this. My shotgun doesn't explode it. But, so maybe not that one. But, I think I have a plan. It's gonna be a really beautiful... I need to get a car. I don't want to run around. I want to check out the alarm in this house real quick. I don't actually remember this mission. I might have skipped it when I first played. I don't remember getting all the boats. Either that or I just don't remember it. I think I just didn't do it. Okay. Alright, so I can grab that really easily. I'm gonna hop on this boat. Oh my, look at that. Let's just take a moment to appreciate. It's like pixel by pixel, perfect parking. So we're just gonna... I don't think this is attached to anything, no. So we're just gonna... I forgot I have to do this. Just move that out of the way. I'm gonna keep my shotgun equipped, so I know there's another gate. Do a quick save. Just save all the progress. Can I not? There we go. Alright, so easy. What's gonna happen is I'm gonna run over here, grab, jump, grab, escape. I got 2 targets right next to the boat. I have that target set up, so I think I might be able to get everything. All 5 targets. A minute's a long time. You can do a lot of within a minute. Blow that apart. Okay, I'm gonna get up here, and then I'm gonna do some parkour over to this wonderful, beautiful... Can we just break this? We're just gonna melt this down to make this jump easier. Or I can just be stupid and... Okay. I'm just I'm just making this a lot harder for myself. But I wanna drive this boat. I feel like I can just make this a lot easier for myself if I do. But bam, there's my target. You're telling me this string is holding back this like 40-ton... I do not believe you. I do not believe you. I'm gonna hit that rock. Okay. We're gonna lift up this bridge, have it next to all the rest of that stuff. And then I'm gonna set up a thing where I'm gonna grab that boat. Wait. I'm gonna set up a thing. I'm gonna place this boat like right here. Like this boat right here. And then I'm just gonna drive it all the way around. Oh. Or no, I'll leave this bridge open. Set up the boat right here. Drive that straight through, rammed here. Grab this and drive this straight through, and then just grab everything. And I get all 5, and I'll probably, hopefully, level up, and then we can get a new thing. Oh, how am I gonna get on? Oh, I'm just gonna do the same thing I did last time, and then we'll get a new weapon for the end of the episode. Holy fuck, this guy keeps calling me. Well, premium lubrication. Okay, we're out of here. Okay, sorry, this is a really glitchy little episode for... It's not like anybody's watching these, so... Sorry, I'm focusing up. Okay, that's everything set up. I'm gonna set up the rest of this, and that'll be it for the episode. Yeah, okay. I got the whole plan. I don't even need to use my spray paint bottle for this. Did I say paint? My spray paint. I'll set up the boat first. Okay. So that's it. Oh, but I won't be able to... Will I be able to drive this? I'll drive into here, grab this, and use this boat. Ram it into here. Grab, 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 escape. Okay, that's the plan. Quick save. Let's do this. 3, 2, 1, go. Yeah, perfect. If it wasn't a minute, then I'd just give up, but... Okay, full force. Run over here. Beautiful. I should have tested if I could drive that boat. What, what the hell? Telling me that's keeping me? I might have to redo this. Why is this so bad at turning? 18, 17, 16, 15, 14. Okay, shit. Yeah, no, we're gonna have to redo this. Oh, I made it. I made it. 0.5 seconds. Holy, we did it. We did it. Look at, oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, we take this boat. I could have driven this full force. I could have detached, yeah, I'll point it out one sec. Yeah, I could have driven this way faster, like just full throttle. Grabbed that. That was good. Jumped over the boat. See, I could have broken. There's a little thing holding this boat. I could have broken that. So that like messed me up, and I fell out of the boat. Like, look at this mess. Could have done that way better. And I zoomed out of here. But the turning was really annoying. I wish there was a speedboat. I could have tested that too if I could have just taken it off. I got here and I was like 9 seconds. I was like, ain't no way. I'm screwed. I hopped out here. Yeah, I grabbed this. Ran over here, grabbed this, jumped up. I hopped into the boat, hopped out, grabbed that, and then, oh my god, that was really intense. Let's I level up. Breaker. Let's go. I'm not a trespasser. Oh, pipe bombs. I remember pipe bombs. Oh, I love pipe bombs. Okay, well, that's it. That's everything. Um, yeah, see you later, pal.